Hey everyone, this is a 1973 Honda CB350F. The F means it's a 350cc but 4-cylinder bike. What I'm going to do today is show you how to fix your turn signals. What this bike was doing was the turn signals would not flash, they just stay on solid. The usual culprit there is a turn signal flasher relay that's gone bad. Most bikes from this era and of this brand, whether 2-cylinder or 4-cylinder, are all going to work about the same. So first thing is the relay is housed behind here. I'll take that off and show you. Hang on. Grab a screwdriver. Okay. And I worked on this earlier. I took the turn signal relay out already. But the original turn signal relay looks like this. Okay, and it sits inside this little rubber boot. These bikes are old enough, your rubber boot might not be there anymore, but mine still was. It sits down in there, and you have a black wire and a white wire that come up. The bottom of these prongs are labeled L and X. The black goes to the L plug, and the white attaches into the X plug. You can get a generic one of these at the auto parts store for a couple bucks. It's round, it's not going to fit in there that well, but it'll still work. You can get an OEM rectangular one online somewhere. That's it guys, good luck, and hope you enjoy.